If you've been wondering how to tell if someone blocked you on Discord, this video will walk you through the most reliable signs step by step. I'll also show you the common things people confuse with a block, so you don't jump to conclusions too quickly. If this helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to do is try sending them a direct message. Open the chat with the person and type a message like you normally would. If the message sends normally, that usually means you have not been blocked. But if you get an error like message failed to send or the message just will not go through, that can be a possible sign that you've been blocked. Keep in mind though, this is not always a guarantee. Sometimes their privacy settings can also stop new messages from coming through. Next, check their profile. Click on their username and look at what you can see. If their profile opens normally, that's a good sign. But if you can't see their profile details or the account seems unusually limited when compared to before, that can be suspicious. Again, this alone does not prove a block, because some Discord settings and server changes can affect what you see. Another thing you can try is reacting to an old message or attempting to call them. If Discord does not let you react to their old messages or if calling them fails, that can be another possible sign of a block. When several of these signs happen together, the chances increase. Still, none of these methods by themselves are fully definitive, so it's best to check more than one. The most accurate method is to test from another account. If you have access to a second Discord account, or if a friend can help you, open that account and search for the person's username. If the account appears normally on the other profile, but not on your main account, that is one of the strongest signs that you've been blocked. This comparison is usually the easiest way to confirm what's really going on. Now let's clear up some common confusion, because this is where a lot of people get it wrong. First, being removed from a server does not mean you are blocked. Someone can leave a server, get removed, or lose access to a community without blocking you at all. Second, privacy settings can also stop DMs from strangers or non-friends, so a failed message doesn't automatically mean block. Third, if someone unfriends you, that is not the same thing as blocking you. A removed friend can still sometimes appear differently than a blocked user. So the best way to look at it is this: one sign alone is not enough, but multiple signs together can give you a much clearer answer. If the DM fails, the profile looks limited, reactions or calls don't work, and another account can still find them normally, then it is very likely you've been blocked on Discord. If this video helped you figure it out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Discord tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.